So I've sold over 40,000 books, ebooks, and audiobooks online, and I can promise you one of the most effective ways to increase your book sales is adding A plus content. If you don't know what A plus content is, if you click on one of your competitors and scroll down, you're most likely going to see this section here titled From the Publisher, and they're going to be these modules here showcasing the book in a more effective way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these modules for your books, and more importantly, how to upload and get them on Amazon. And the best part is it's only going to take you around 5 or 10 minutes. All you need to do this effectively is your book cover, your book description, some screenshots of the interior pages of your book if it is high quality and formatted professionally. You need the prompts that I've left below in the description, and you need a ChatGPT subscription. As you can see inside ChatGPT, all I've done is included my book cover, which is this one here. I've included the interior pages of my books, or in this case, they're samples of ones. I've included this prompt that I've left below, including my book description, and simply clicked enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT has come back with 4 usable modules that are ready to upload. We have the first module here, when emotions feel too big. This workbook shows teens what to do next. We have the transformation module, from overwhelmed to more in control 1 week at a time. It shows them the before, it shows the 7-week plan my book is built around, and it shows them the after. We have the module showcasing the interior pages and why this book is going to help them solve the problem effortlessly. And we of course have our closing module as well. Give them a practical system they'll actually use. And all I'm going to do is simply click the download button here at the corner of the image, click this image, download it to my computer, and do this for all 4, and then go and upload them. And I will include a second prompt as well to try if you're not happy with the first result. So I did a more simple prompt for the second set of modules. Once again, we have our hook module. Big emotions don't mean something is wrong. It's simple, it's effective, it's bold, it's on par with the brand. We have our transformation module, from overwhelmed to more in control. Once again, showing them where they are, which is why they're buying this book, to where they want to go. In the third module, we're showcasing what the inside of the book looks like and why it's going to be effective, a simple 7-week system teens can actually use. And of course, we have the closing module again. Give your teen a practical path to feeling more in control. So run the 2 prompts, find the modules you like, download them to your computer, and then we can go and upload. All you need to do to upload your A plus content is go to your Amazon KDP dashboard, go to the marketing tab in the top right corner, scroll down to A plus content, and you're going to do what I'm about to show you for 3 main marketplaces. We're going to do it for .com, .uk, and for .ca. In this case, we'll go to .com, manage A plus content. We're then going to go start creating A plus content. We're going to add a module. In this case, we're going to add this module here that's titled standard image header with text with this brown and white dog. This is the same size as the modules we just created. And we're going to add 4 of these modules. To add the images is super simple. We're going to click this image here, click it again. We're then going to upload the images that we've just downloaded. We're going to add them one at a time. So in this case, I picked the first module. For alternative text, I'm just going to briefly describe what it's saying. So in this case, I can say big emotions don't mean something is wrong. I can tag it if I want to easily find it later. And if you do have real people that were AI generated in your modules, you can click this button here and simply click add. And once again, we click add again. Now this module is live and ready to go. And we're going to do this for all 4 of our modules. So now that we have all 4 of our modules uploaded, we can move on to the next step. We can click next, which is where we actually apply this to a book. This is where you're going to put in the ASIN for the book that you want to add this A plus content to. If you're looking for the ASIN for your books, you simply just have to go to your bookshelf, find the book that you're uploading this A plus content to, and grab the ASIN from the paperback book. It should be right under here. You can simply put this in the search for ASINs box. It's going to find your book and actually auto-populate all formats that the A plus content can be posted to, so your ebook and your paperback. And we can simply click apply content over to the right. From there, you're simply going to review it, make sure everything looks good and is in order. You can then go and click submit for approval, and it's going to go live on your books. And we just did that for .com, and like I said, we want to do that for .com, .uk, and .ca, so it shows up under those books on the main Amazon platforms. And if you have any issues at all with the quality of the modules, you can simply go over to Canva, create a custom size canvas at 970 by 600 pixels. This is the same size as those modules. We can simply drag in each module. We can fit it to size, and then we're going to export it from here. This is going to export it at the right size and the right quality. And you're just going to want to make sure it's a JPEG image at high quality, and you go and upload these instead of the ones directly from ChatGPT. So that's exactly how you create and upload high quality A plus content for your books. Go and give it a try, run a few different prompts if you like, and find the ones that you like the best. You can also mix and match the modules as long as you have that same 4 sequence, but just use the ones that you think are the most effective. If you don't have A plus content for your books, it's never been easier to create, so I suggest you go and do it, and it will increase your book sales and your conversion rate. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions at all, leave them below. And if you want to work with me one to one to build out your Amazon book catalog, I will leave a link below to book a roadmap call. We can chat and map out the first 90 days and see if it makes sense. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more no nonsense Amazon KDP advice. We'll see you in the next one.